In this episode of Brightbulb Learning Solutions, we're going to be taking a look at exporting our projects. We'll be exporting our sequence. We'll be talking about formats, presets, adding an LUT or a Lumetri table, utilizing Media Encoder to export, and some more. Let's get started. Okay, to export this project, I'm going to start by putting my playhead at the beginning of the sequence. I'm going to go to File, Export Media, or I could use the shortcut of Command M. Up here, I have my formats. I'm going to choose H.264, but there's a bunch of different formats that you could choose. If you wanted to export just audio, you could choose MP3. We're going to leave it at H.264. We also have a bunch of presets depending on what we're exporting our project to or what we're exporting the project for. I like to leave mine at match source high bitrate so that it matches my sequence settings. I can click on this blue link and name it. I can export my video, export the audio only. I also have some tabs down here where I can click on this effects. This is really cool. This is the Lumetri look, or LUT. And I can choose a color grade to put over my entire project instead of color grading it with an adjustment layer right in the sequence. There's also some other settings that we can adjust here in the effects tab, like image overlays, name overlays. I'm going to hit the blue link. I'm going to choose where I want to put this and what I'm going to name it. We're just going to call this SL Gold because of the LUT. And then I'm going to hit export. It's going to export the project, and now it's its own standalone file. Another method is I can hit the Q button. What this will do, this will launch the Media Encoder, and then I can export the project, or I can export multiple projects or multiple sequences from the Media Encoder, and that frees up Premiere for me to continue to work in. When I export strictly from Premiere, I now have to wait for that project or that file to be complete before I can go back in and continue working. Thanks for joining me in this episode. We'll see you in the next one.